Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and I am here today, well, I filmed this a couple days ago, but I was here today at IWA in Germany because I was invited down by Brownells to help announce the release of the WWSD2020 rifles in the EU. So thanks to Brownells European partners, we are now selling these throughout the European Union. The rifle is fundamentally identical to the version that we have in the US with a couple very minor changes. We have a semi-auto only bolt carrier, which is something that doesn't matter in the US, but there are a couple European countries where that's considered a machine gun, or well, a full auto carrier is considered a machine gun part, so we took that out for the European model. Similarly, there is no auto sear cut in the upper receiver. Again, an element that's not legally relevant in the United States, but is in several places in Europe. So these are being distributed by Brownells European partners. The rifles are all coming in through Germany. They're being proofed in Germany, so they're meeting CIP proof requirements, which is an issue for, again, a lot of European countries. And then they'll be distributed out of Germany to all of Brownells European partners. So if you are a shooter in the EU and you've been interested in getting your hands on a What Would Stoner Do rifle, we're really excited to have them here. I think it is a rare style of rifle, a light utilitarian military style carbine that you just don't have very much choice for in the EU. There aren't a whole lot of rifles that meet this sort of criteria. So hopefully this will be of interest to some of you guys. You can check them out on Brownell's website. Thanks for watching.